Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a winter gardening video for you. We've had some pretty windy and cold days here now at the end of October in our area, and my plan is to continue running the raised beds throughout the winter, and I just wanted to show you the methods that I'm using to make the plants happy and avoid frost damage. So the first thing I did with the raised beds was I modified them so that they would hold this mini greenhouse that I got on Amazon. And I've got 3 of the mini greenhouses now set up, and so far they've held up well. I've had them for about a month, and we did have some wind come through pretty strong last week, up to 30-mile-an-hour gusts, and blew this one over sideways and the light came down, but I just bungeed it to the clip here that I had for the light system during the summer, and it hasn't gone anywhere since. So what kind of plants are we running right now? We've got some romaine lettuce that's doing really well. We've got some chard. Of course, kale is a good winter crop. This is actually New Zealand spinach, which was supposed to be heat tolerant, and it's still going even when the cooler temperatures are here. We've got onions and leeks, more kale, more onions, garlic. Planted those about a week ago, and they're starting to come up, and that's an overwinter crop. More kale, and then believe it or not, these little cucumbers are actually still growing. So as far as lighting goes, obviously right now, this time of day, we've still got some sunshine coming through, which is pretty rare. In our area, we don't get much sun. It's usually just pouring down rain and cloudy in the Northwest here, Pacific Northwest. But I've got it accentuated with the mishmash of different grow lights, and I've got a video as far as how I mounted up this grow light system onto this mini greenhouse. But this is the Spider Farmer 2000, and it's got settings so that you can avoid burning your plants, and that way you don't have to regulate by raising and lowering as much. You can just turn it up and down. And then this one was a cheaper light, and I'll have all the links to the lights in the description, but this was a cheaper Amazon light that had pretty good reviews. It's not going to put out as much power and growth as the Spider Farmer 2000. And then this was even cheaper that I got last year, and it's an outdoor light, and it's got a little different color, but the plants seem to like this one okay. And so really you just need to supplement your lighting during the winter time in the darker times, and I have these turned on from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. and the plants are still growing. They're not crazy big because these were started kind of late in the summer, and this area back here does not get a lot of light. Once the sun goes over to the west, these don't get any direct sunlight, so you really have to supplement if you're doing that sort of thing. Now, if these were in the backyard on a south-facing area, like possibly over here where I used to have a garden, you wouldn't necessarily have to supplement with the lights, but if you want big plants during the winter, you're going to have to do that. Okay, well, I appreciate you watching, and please subscribe and ask questions if you want to, and follow the links in the description. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so this does help support my channel.